Good morning, a very warm welcome to all of you. And today we will be learning about Jarvis AI, the best digital companion that you can talk to. And then you have to install PIP. Sorry, you have to install PIP. Then you have to write install, and then you can write PYTTSX3. And you have to press enter. So here it is already installed in my computer. It is already installed. So PYTTS means Python. PY stands for Python. TTS text to speech. X3 is the module or the version of Python which we are using. Now how are we? All right, so how can we make this? So the first thing which we will do is we are going to import the module. So I hope it is quite clear and visible to you. So we are going to write import pytts x3. So that's the module which we have installed just now. I'll just write it for you so that it's quite clear. What is the thing which we have to install here? Pip install pyttsx3. That means py stands for Python, tts is text to speech, x3 is the module which we are using, right? Python 2 or Python 3, for that it is being used. All right, now we are making an personal assistant, so you can write, say, assistant equal to, so basically we are declaring a variable, and pyttsx3, and then what is the next thing which we will do? We are going to initiate the function, right? So we are going to initialize. So init. Once you have written this, what is the next thing? We want the personal assistant to say something. So what is the next thing which we will do? We are going to write like this: assistant dot say, and then here I'm going to use this, and I'm going to write hello world, right? That's the way I'm going to write it over here. That's what I want this assistant to speak. And then same thing, assistant dot, we are going to write run and wait. What is this used for? Like whatever you are saying, then that should wait for a while. So let's see, we are going to run this. So I'm going to save it over here. I'm going to write text to speech 1, and I'm going to save it like this.
Hello world.
Can you hear this? Okay. Suppose I don't want this. Maybe I want my name to be pronounced by this personal assistant. So let's do this. Instead of hello world, I'm going to change it over here as Lipika. See, here I've changed. Okay. And now I'm going to write here. Click on run.
Lipika.
Yeah. Okay. Suppose I want to write here like this. Hello, I am Jarvis, your personal assistant. Let's see this, or let's hear this.
Hello. I am Jarvis, your personal assistant.
See, exactly, it's going to read the same thing which we are going to see over here, right? Okay, so if you have liked this, please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.